Okay, this video is to show how to reset the maintenance required data or display on your dashboard. Okay, this vehicle has 7,615. The dealer wants to change the oil after 10,000. We're just going to go ahead and change it now, but we need to reset this as well. So the way to get to it is basically we press the arrow back, which is on top, also shown over here. So we press that. Then it goes to a clear menu more or less, and then we're going to press one of the arrows left or right, and as soon as we press it, we're going to see a menu on top. Now you can press left or right and you will see different messages. So what you want to do is you want to go to the gear icon, which is that, and then you will see all these sub menus below. You're going to press the arrow down to navigate all the way down to vehicle settings. Okay, and then we press OK with the middle button, and then you scroll down to schedule maintenance right there, and you press OK as well. And now you have the question if you want to reset the data. You press obviously arrow up and then enter with OK with the middle button, and then the data will be reset, and that's it.